If you've ever needed to edit a PDF but all you have is Microsoft Word, this video is for you. In just a minute, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to text in Word so you can turn that locked PDF into an editable Word document without complicated software or extra tools. This is super helpful if you want to copy text, fix formatting, reuse content, or simply save the file as a Word document for easier editing later. If this tutorial helps you out, take a second to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the top left and click File, then choose Open. This is where you'll load the PDF file you want to convert. Next, browse through your folders and select the PDF document from your computer. After you've selected it, click Open. At this point, Word will display a message letting you know that it's going to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. This is completely normal because Word is basically importing the PDF contents and rebuilding them in a format you can work with. When that message appears, just click OK to continue. Word will now process the file, and after a few moments, your PDF should open inside Word as an editable document. You can now click into the text, make changes, delete sections, or reformat anything you need. Keep in mind that some complex layouts may shift a little during conversion, especially if the PDF has images, columns, or unusual formatting. But for most standard documents, this works really well. Once the PDF is open and you've confirmed everything looks right, the final step is to save it properly. Go back to File, then click Save As. Choose where you want to store the file on your computer, and then save it as a Word document with the .docx format. That way, your converted PDF is now fully saved as an editable Word file, and that's it. You've successfully converted PDF to text in Word. Now you can edit the document, copy the text, or use it however you need. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.